In this video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple Chrome shortcuts on your desktop. Now, if you find this video useful, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also to like this video. Thank you guys. Now, to get this done, first of all, you need to come to your desktop. Then you need to launch your Chrome, your main Chrome, Google Chrome. Then it will open this interface where you'll be able to see your multiple accounts and your various profiles. Now, if you are unable to see your profiles and if you are unable to see your main Google Chrome, then you need to go to minimize this. Then you need to go to Windows. Then you need to go to search. Then search for Google Chrome. Then you are going to see it there. Just right click on it. Then click on Open File Location. Then it will lead you to this File Explorer. Now you are going to see Google Chrome there. Right click on it. Then go to Send to. Then you are going to see Desktop, Create Shortcut. Now if you click on that, it will create a shortcut for you where you will be able to see your main Google Chrome on the desktop. Now if you launch this main Google Chrome, it will lead you to here where you'll be able to see your profile icons. So in order to create multiple Chrome shortcuts on your Windows desktop, then you need to click on those three dots on the top right corner of each profile. Now if I click here, then I click on Edit, then it will launch this Chrome profile. So you just need to scroll down. Then you are going to see Create Desktop Shortcut. You need to open this button. Just tap on it. Then if you close, you're going to see that and refresh. You're going to see that this Chrome shortcut has been created here on this desktop. Now in order to create another shortcut, you need to launch this one again. Then click on those three dots, then Edit, then maximize that. Then you need to come here, Create Desktop Shortcut, then click on that. Then you need to close this, then refresh your desktop. Then as you can see, this shortcut has been created. So that's how you can keep on creating multiple shortcuts on desktop of Chrome. So if this video has helped you out, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like this video. Thank you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one.